Welcome back to my channel. Donna Parsons here. And the question today is should I start a YouTube channel if I'm over the age of 50? Is it viable? What do I need to know? Will somebody want to listen to me? Well, I'm here to tell you that it's a great idea. And why do I say it's a great idea? Because you bring a wealth of experience to the YouTube. You bring the wisdom to the YouTube community. You have your perspectives and can resonate with the audience as long as you're comfortable on camera. And believe me, it took a lot of time for me to be comfortable on camera, but yet, I could be in a classroom because I teach college with, 50 students and not have a problem talking. So I think it's just getting over, being in front of a camera. When you get over that a little uneasiness, you're going to be fine. So one of the things, it's your expertise. You're going to be sharing your expertise on YouTube. For example, if you have life's advice, if you have a certain hobby, like I have a hobby sewing, I love to sew, so maybe that would be something that I wanted to create a YouTube channel on. Maybe professional skills, maybe you have a computer skill, maybe you know how to fix something, or maybe you know how to tricks of for example, household cleaning. Those are some things that you can share your experiences on YouTube that are valuable. People love learning from people that are experienced. You can connect with same-minded individuals. I've had some people that have left some wonderful comments, and I have a rapport with some wonderful people in my YouTube comment section. So you're building a community and you're building a supportive space within that community. You're staying mentally active. You're learning new skills. So for example, I didn't know about video editing. I'm an expert witness in computer forensics, but I didn't know how to do video editing. So now I learned how to do my own video editing because I didn't want to pay somebody. Content creation. So now I'm creating content and I'm planning ahead to do my YouTube videos. You're also learning social media. You also have the potential to make money on YouTube. So we're talking about ads, we're talking about sponsorship, we're talking about memberships. These are down the road, but think about what you have and what you can talk about that is of value to someone that doesn't know what you know. And I think that you're going to find that YouTube is going to be a great place to start. Okay. So now that I've convinced you to start a YouTube channel, let me give you some tips on how to get started. So the first tip is pick a niche. What I mean by that is focusing on something that you're passionate about, something that you're good about, something like travel or cooking or wellness or storytelling or computers if you have a skill, maybe fixing something. Whatever you're passionate about, it is so important. People want to learn from you. Keep it simple. And when I say keep it simple, there were times when I used to say, I have to, I have to put makeup on, I have to do this, I have to do that, I have to wear fancy clothes. And, is the background right? Well, I think people want to see what you have to say on YouTube. I think it's important, yes, to have some kind of equipment. I have a phone, I have a stand, make sure your lighting's right. But other than that, start now. Don't wait, start now. Be consistent. When I say be consistent, I have found that the more I put up on YouTube, the more my YouTube channel grows. So once or twice a week, if I'm putting up videos on YouTube, I'm noticing that people respond better. And YouTube's algorithm apparently likes it when you post videos on a regular basis, okay? Engage with your viewers. What I mean by that is, once you have a video up and you're starting to notice the comments come in, you want to thank them. You want to ask them questions. You want to be a little bit more back and forth with them. So this way you're building an audience and you're building a good following. Okay. Don't worry about perfection. Sometimes being authentic, be your authentic self is really important. And I've noticed that You know, it took me a while for me to get comfortable kind of just being myself sitting on the couch. And I noticed that I'm sitting on the couch and I'm a lot more relaxed when I'm sitting here than sitting behind a desk. And that's just me. Maybe for you it might not be like that, but I'm finding that I'm sitting here, I'm chilling, and I notice that I'm a lot more authentic when I'm on YouTube. And believe it or not, I kind of like myself being like that. So I hope that these tips have helped you. I'm going to post some things about what kind of software that I'm using and how I do video editing. And so we're going to do that in the following lessons, but start the channel. Don't wait, start the channel.